Hi, I'll be sharing the process of marking attendance for the students from an admin or a teacher. I have logged in into the platform as an admin, and on the left menu we'll be able to see all the features. Scroll down and navigate to the attendance feature from the left menu. So here this is the attendance menu, and to mark attendance first we need to select the board, the grade for which we want to mark the attendance, and the section. So I am marking attendance for grade 6 in section 6A. So here we have two types of noons, that is forenoon and afternoon. The admin or a teacher can mark attendance for forenoon as well as afternoon. So I have selected forenoon as of now, and here we can see the list of the dates, right? So as today is Saturday, August 31, I'll click on the date, and here I'll be getting the list of all the students of this particular section. So to mark attendance, here we can see the toggle buttons for each student. By default, it will be marked as present for all the students, but to mark as absent, we need to off the toggle button. So making the changes, once after making the changes, we need to click on save, and then the attendance for forenoon will be saved. In the same way, the admin or a teacher can also mark attendance for afternoon. Same, select the board, the grade and the section for which we want to mark attendance, and select the mode type as afternoon. And here we'll be getting the list. Click on the date hyperlink, and in the drop down select afternoon. So these are all the students again from 6A. So as we have marked absent for the morning session, it is still in off. So if the students who are present in the morning are absent for afternoon session, we can just off the toggle button and click on save. Then the attendance will be saved for afternoon session.